Hey everybody, it's Rink with Remax in Regina. I'm here with Brandon Schick, the expert for floor installation and flooring knowledge. And Brandon's going to talk about some of the things to do and not do with hardwood floors, laminate floors, and different types of flooring that we have here. So I'm going to let Brandon take it away and explain maybe some of the maintenance features that come with having hardwood floors or laminate flooring in your home.
All right, so mainly what you want to know with your hardwood and laminate floor, most importantly, is not to get your floor soaked. You don't want it to be too wet. Laminate and hardwood are very porous surfaces, and so if you get them too wet, then it's going to soak into the product. It can make the floor buckle, it can distort the shape, and affect the finish quality. So with the hardwood and laminate floors, what you need to know is that they're both porous surfaces, and the relative humidity in your home definitely affects it. So what we want to shoot for is a relative humidity between 30 and 50%. That's going to ensure that your floor doesn't shrink or expand too much to the point that it buckles. If you have too much humidity, it will also contribute to a squeaky, noisy floor, and nobody likes that. Other than that, when you care for your floor, you want to make sure not to get it too wet. Use a good quality cleaning product, something especially that doesn't have scented products in it. They tend to be a little sticky, and they also create noise in your floor. So buy a better quality product and don't get your floor too wet when you clean it. Just a little dust mop and some spray cleaner, and that's about all that you need.
Next question I have for you, Brandon, is in regards to the wood species for hardwood. People have a lot of choice when it comes to picking out hardwoods. So what's the best performing hardwood for our specific climate here in Regina, and which one, in your opinion, is the best species of wood to install in a home with our climate?
Due to the issue of the extremes of our climate, we get the driest, coldest winters and very hot, humid summers. You want to pick a species that's from around here. Any North American species is going to perform better than something that comes from, say, a rainforest, because it's going to be a little too dry here for a product like that. So if you pick a North American species, it's going to be more adaptable to our climate, and it will perform better.
And those species would be?
Typically it's maple, oak, birch, sometimes hickory. You can get into exotic species if you want. They have engineered the product now so that they can perform a little bit better here, but I still recommend North American species. So in regards to monitoring the humidity level in your home, you can pick up a little hygrometer. You don't have to buy anything really expensive. This one was only about $20 at any of your regular big box stores. It's just important to kind of know when the humidity levels are climbing in your house so that you can adjust, say, your air exchanger to accommodate your floor. So typically if you're doing a lot of cooking or lots of people showering in your house, that's the time when you want to be turning on your exhaust fan to kick out that excess humidity.
Okay, last question I have for you, Brandon, is in regards to, again, on care of the hardwood floor. So regarding dents and scratches, when it comes to your daily traffic that happens in your daily living on the floor, what is the way to best care for scratches on hardwood floors?
Well, there's a variety of different types of scratches. If it's just a light scratch that's on the surface, a lot of times they can be touched up. There's a lot of products available for that, little touch-up pens, color match pens. If you make a big hole, you can sometimes fill them with wax, but if you have excessive damage, it's pretty hard to touch those things up. They never quite look the same, and so the best solution would be to call a professional and have the boards removed and replaced.
So a lot of good information that Brandon provided for us today. Hardwood floors, there's an infinite amount of information that we could have given you. However, we touched on a few important topics. If there is more information you need, by all means, you can contact me through my website, and I can get you in touch with Brandon to hopefully answer those questions for you. So thanks again, and take care.